Okay, so now we're doing surface area. This is a hemisphere, so we have the surface area of the curved surface plus the area of the base. We know that our radius is 5.3 metres. So we know the surface area equals, now it's half the curve. Now from our formula sheet, we know that's 4 pi r squared. That is the surface area of a sphere, so we need half of it. Plus we need another pi r squared for the area of the base. So that's a half of 4 times pi times 5.3 squared plus pi times 5.3 squared. Grab your calculator and get an answer. $264.74, and this will be in meters squared. Okay, next one is a cone. So the surface area from the formula sheet, the surface area of the cone is pi r squared, which is the area of the base, plus pi rs, where this side here is S. Now we don't know what that is yet, so we better work it out. We know that S squared equals 1.2 squared plus 0.75 squared. S squared equals, go to our trusty calculator, make sure you've got them both in the same units. So that's 2.0025, so let's find the square root of that. 1.42, so S equals 1.42. Now remember what I said, store your answer for later use. Shift, store, A. Okay, and sometimes I put a little A there just to remind myself where it is. So we now can go back to our formula. We now know what S is. So our surface area is going to be pi times our radius, which is 0.75 squared, plus pi times 0.75 times 1.42. Okay, so it is pi times 0.75 squared plus pi times 0.75 times our answer from A, 5.101. So our surface area is 5.10 metres squared. I'm just double checking that was in metres, and it is. Okay, make sure you use your units. Use your calculator. Don't round this answer off over here. Okay, either do something, but you've all learned about storing answers in your calculator.